welcome back to another video. I'm going to be using these type of nails again. I know, I use these all the time, but they're my favourite. And this is, I think this is the pointy finger this time. I've always done the thumb. I've not really worked on the pointy finger. It took me a really long time to figure out what I'm going to do today. So I hope you all enjoyed. It's going to be a little bit different than normal. So first of all, I've already primed it with the base coat. It may not look it, but that's because the base coat is clear. And I'm going to be using this colour. If my camera will focus. There we go. So it looks like a dark blue on here, but it's actually a dark purple. It's by Beetles, for anyone that is new here. These are the only gel polish I will use because I like them. The only reason why I'm not doing a full hand, like I really want to, and I've got the setup, is that my lamp is broken. So, first of all, I'm just going to paint it in that blue. I do middle, right, left as normal, and I sometimes go through little strokes up here, and then I just drag down the extra down here. So, I'll do a speed run of that. So I hope you enjoyed the music and the speed run. And I'm back. Right, I took away this little flower because it was just getting really awkward to hold. And yes, I do have nail polish on my hand, but that's easily to wash off with a little bit of acetone. This is 100% acetone. And I do wash my hands thoroughly after. And I still have glitter from the last project because this has glitter on. So I'm going to cure this layer and I'll be back. And I'm back. I hope you've stuck around so far. So this is the first layer cured. So I'm going to do a second layer. And I'll do a quick speed run of that. Enjoy the music. And I'm back. If you've noticed, I did not say I was going to cure this yet. That's because I'm going to put this to one side a little bit. Still on the screen. What's this in the corner? Oh, that's a wire. That bit in the corner was a wire that I didn't realise it was there. It's for the ring lamp. So I'm going to bring this back from last video. And since I coloured it, I'm going to open this up so you can see the pretty little dark blue coloured. I couldn't find a purple. This is the best I'm going to do. So I'm going to place that in there, put that to the side so I can show you this pretty colour. Why does it look blue on camera? I swear it's purple. I swear it's a dark purple. I swear it's a dark purple. So I'm just going to place that there. And you know what I'm going to do? I probably will get blasted, but I'm going to just dunk it in. And just press it in. That's why I've got that underneath. So I'm going to grab a paintbrush. This hair. Look at that. Look how pretty that looks. Look how pretty. It's so shiny. I wish my camera would focus. Hang on, I'm going to try and get this to focus. Oh, there's a hair on my foot thumb. Rid of that. There we go. Look how pretty that looks. So I'm going to cure this layer. And then I'll be back in a little bit. And I'm back. I haven't done anything more other than curing this. I'm going to put a base coat down, not a top gel this time, a base coat, this one, because I'll be putting a gem on, and you'll see why. So I'm going to warm it up in my hands first. I'm just going to rub it in between my hand. Imagine these in my hand, and just rub it in between like that, so the gel doesn't clump up. So enjoy another speed run of me putting the base coat on. So I'm back. Just turn that the right way. Right, I haven't cured it because I've been told to put the gem on and then cure it. And that's what I'm going to do. So I'm not going to use my hands. I'm going to use my wax pencil. It's a little, I flattened this on purpose because then it will be easier to pick up the gem. So I'm just going to try my best. I'm just going to hold it with one finger. I'm not picking it up, I'm just holding it so I can get a nice good. And I actually quite like it like that. So I'm going to push this out the way because I've picked it up. I'm going to turn it where I want it. I would like it right there. Maybe first of all I should put a sealant on. I still have not put a top coat on. So there we go. I'll show you once again which sealant, gem sealant I use. It's this one. It's a bit scuffed up, but I'm gonna take 2 this time. I'm gonna hold it with my wax pencil. Hold the nail. Don't know why when it's stuck there. Okay. I've put some of this on so I don't lose. So I'm gonna stick that on. Maybe not in an angle because it's slipping. I'm just gonna stick it right there. Oops, sorry for knocking the camera. Now I'm gonna cure this and I'll be back once it's cured. And I'm back. I am really sorry about the jump cuts. Actually, I would like you to answer a question for me. Do you like jump cuts? Do you like speed runs? Or do you like a bit of both? Let me know. Also, let me know what you think on the last video. Did you like the photographic on it? Like the little montage photos? Or did you just prefer it to be revealed in a 3, 2, 1 count? Or would you just like to see it at the end like a normal, like I did? Just showing it like this right now after it's cured. Let me know in the comments down below on your thoughts. If you have any tips or advice on how to do nails or any designs that you want to see, let me know and I'll do them. So I've only got a few more things left to do and then I'll be done. And of course I'll bring you along on the journey. So I'm going to use a white. Don't know if you can see where this is going. I'm going to bring in this little dish. It's just one of these little dishes. I like to call them a little paint palette. I'm going to bring in the smallest paintbrush I've got, along with a dotting tool. And I'll show you why. So I've got a white. It's a number 591. It's the Beatles one. I'm going to take some of it off. I'm going to try and unscrew the cap first of all. So I'm just going to get some on and I'm just going to place a little blob on there. So I'm going to bring this in so you can clearly see what I'm doing. So for this I'm going to do just a little line where that little dot is. I'm going to bring it down. It's going to be very, very simple. And then I'm going to bring it another line this way. Just make a little plus sign. So I'm going to take it off the blue tack I've got on there, as you can see, so I can hold it better. I'm just going to do that. It looks like a little crust now. I don't mean to. I'm going to bring it down. I'm just going to sort it out a little bit, and then I'm going to bring these together. So I'm going to make up, see, I'm hitting it. I'm hitting the tripod. I'm just going to bring that up like that, and then I'm going to bring this one down to meet that one. And I'm going to do the same on the others. So kind of like that. So it just makes a giant diamond shape, or circle in this case now. Alright, I'm going to wipe away the mistake I've done because it's not what I want it to look like. So I'm going to take a pad, some acetone, and then I'm just going to do one little pump, because it's the pump type on there, and I'm just going to gently just wipe away the mistake, or make more of a mess. Don't ask what I'm doing. Right, so I've wiped away the little mess, like a little undo button, and I love me an undo button. Right, so I'm going to take my dotting tool instead, so I'm just going to dot. So I'm just going to dot there, dot there, dot there, 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 there. And then I'm going to grab another colour. I'm going to grab a nice pale yellow. And again, I'm just going to put some on here. And now I'm just going to make sure that's clean. And now I'm just going to take it. I'm just going to put another little dots on. Not too much. I think that should be alright. That looks alright to me. So I'm going to put a top coat on. I'm going to cure it. And I'll be back. And there'll be a photo montage at the end. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you do, leave a like and a comment and subscribe. If you don't like the video, that's okay. I don't mind it either way. So, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.